Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Blender, and let's see today how we can easily connect the vertices, the faces, and the edges. Let's delete our cube and add, for example, a circle. Let's do it bigger. And now I'm going to edit mode, select vertices, select some vertices, and press F. You see, now they're connected. We have such a new plane, something like that. Okay, now let's go back to object mode and add, let it be some cylinder. Move it a little bit. Okay, and I want to remove, let's go to edit mode, choosing faces, and I want to remove this face, for example. Delete face. Okay, let's go to edge selection and I will choose some edges, and now pressing F, I'm connecting them the same like we did. So edges, now Ctrl Z, let's go to face selection mode, choose all our faces, press F, and you see we connected all of them. That's it. Thank you. Bye.